Not a fan of the new Instants feature on Instagram and want to get rid of it? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to remove the Instants feature from your Instagram inbox and turn off Instants notifications. Now let's get started. To remove the Instants feature from your inbox, open Instagram and go to your profile. Tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and select Content Preferences. Then tap the switch labeled Hide Instants in Inbox. This will remove the Instants feature from your inbox page, so you'll no longer see your friends' posts or hit the icon by accident. To turn off notifications for Instagram Instants, go back to the main settings menu and select Notifications. Scroll down and tap Instants. Select Off for both Instants notifications and emoji reaction notifications. Once you do this, you'll no longer receive any notifications related to Instagram Instants. That's all it takes to remove Instants from your Instagram app. Accidentally posted an instant and want to delete it? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.